We depend completely on our luggage when we travel. So let's have a look at the 5 best wheeled luggage available in the market. The On Underseat is the 5th product we have reviewed. Up your style quotient when you travel with this On wheeled underseat carry-on. It features a trendy quilted pattern, contrast trim, dome-shaped design, and it comes in gorgeous shades. You can pack a pair of clothes, slippers, cosmetics, a water bottle, or books in this spacious quilted carry-on. This underseat carry-on bag also comes with a matching backup tote bag to carry extra clothes or last-minute buys. The innovative On Underseat is, as its name would suggest, designed to fit underneath most plane seats, but remains a spacious option. Padded sides provide added protection, and the dimensions are slim enough to roll through the aisle comfortably. At number 4, check out the Osprey Shuttle. The Osprey Shuttle has 6,600 cubic inches of storage space for longer trips. It also features large traction wheels that ensure smooth navigating whether you're in the airport or on the streets, and has TSA-approved lockable zippers for security. It includes an effective 3-strap compression system. Coming in at number 3 is the DelC Split Roller. The DelC Split Roller comes in a variety of colors and patterns to suit business travelers and young globetrotters alike. The split-level design allows for quick access to most areas, and the top duffel compartment is collapsible for when you're traveling light. At number 2, our second best product is the DelC Helium Aero 25-inch. The DelC Helium Aero 25-inch features a hardshell exterior that is as glamorous as it is durable. It is built to get your luggage through security fast with a side-mounted TSA-approved lock and 4 360-degree swivel wheels. And the number 1 product on our list today, the Travelpro Magna 2. The Travelpro Magna 2 sports a rugged Duragard-coated nylon construction with leather top and side carrying handles for comfort. It is well balanced, and it is designed to meet carry-on requirements and comes with a warranty that covers airline damage. This has been a review of the best 5 wheeled luggage.
We hope you enjoyed this video, but please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you like our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day.